16-inch IPS touchscreen display. It runs at 60 Hz. It's got a resolution of 1920 by 1200. It has 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, which is soldered. It has 512 gigabytes of storage, which is M.2, which means that it can be upgraded. Powering this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 7735U, which is it's an APU, so it means that it's got integrated graphics, which I believe in this model is the 680M. So it is running Windows 11, and the color is Arctic Grey. So it has HDMI, it's got 2 USB-C ports, so one for power, and it's got a headphone jack, so it's got 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 3 ports. It's got a micro SD card reader, and you've got the power button on the side. So it is a 2-in-1 laptop, meaning I open this up, flips around. You can use it in different modes as well. So the main reason I got this laptop is for when I want to video edit, if I want to browse the net or just go on social media. Based on my usage, 16 gigabytes is more than enough for what I use it for. And the CPU, the APU is pretty powerful as well. So it can game for titles like Fortnite, Roblox, things like that. But I'm not really going to be using it for gaming, to be honest, because I've already got a computer, with a dedicated GPU that I could game on if I wish. So I'm going to use it over the next few months, see how it goes. Yeah, I'll probably do a follow-up video, let you guys know how I'm getting on with it, if I've had any issues using it, etc. So that is the video, guys. I will do a follow-up video just to let you know how I'm getting on with the laptop, if it's actually meeting my needs, if I've had any issues with it, and etc. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I've got more content coming. Feel free to leave a comment down below. A like is always appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video.